How to recognize opioid overdose signs and administer Narcan nasal spray. With the rise in opioid-related incidents, it's more important than ever to be informed about how to use Narcan nasal spray. Remember, your quick response can save a life. Before we discuss Narcan, let's understand what an opioid overdose looks like. Opioids, including prescription painkillers, heroin, and fentanyl, can depress the central nervous system. In an overdose, this can lead to life-threatening symptoms. Key signs include shallow, slow, or stopped breathing, pinpoint pupils, unconsciousness or inability to wake up, limp body, pale, clammy skin, or bluish lips and fingernails. If you suspect someone is having an overdose, you need to act fast. Narcan can quickly reverse the effects of an opioid overdose. It's available as a nasal spray, making it easy to use, even for non-medical personnel. How to use Narcan nasal spray. First, check for signs of an overdose. Ensure the person shows signs of an opioid overdose. Next, call 911 immediately. Next, lay the person on their back so you have access to their nostrils. Next, hold the spray with your thumb on the bottom of the plunger and your first and middle fingers on either side of the nozzle. Insert the tip into one nostril and press firmly to release the dose. After you've given the dose, turn the person on their side to prevent them from choking if they vomit. If there's no response in 2 to 3 minutes, administer a second dose. Make sure you take the following precautions after administering Narcan. First, always call emergency services. Narcan is a temporary solution, and professional medical help is essential. Next, be prepared for withdrawal symptoms. The person may experience withdrawal symptoms like nausea, vomiting, and agitation. These symptoms may range from mild to extreme, so be prepared for any and all reactions. And finally, don't wait if you think someone is in trouble. If in doubt, it's better to administer Narcan. There are no severe consequences if it's given to someone who hasn't taken opioids. Understanding how to recognize an opioid overdose and administer Narcan nasal spray is essential knowledge in today's world. Remember, your quick response can save a life.